Vegetarians, look away now because from this unknown parts we'll be making crunchy and crispy dinakdakan, the Ilocano style. Technology aided because yes, we're using an air fryer. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. We're away from our kitchen and garden, but that's no excuse from being able to make this special dish of different format and presentation this time. But learning field here on Channel 1. It's dinakdakan how it's made in the Ilocos and with a modern help with an air fryer. It's really crunchy. I love this one. And while I enjoy this dish, let's roll back, let's rewind, and I'll show you how it was made. The ears and the cheeks don't come perfect, so it's advisable to shave them and then boil them. Immerse in sufficient amount of water and just boil until scum floats and drain the water, replacing it with a new one. Now reboil, this time with some seasoning, salt and pepper, minimum. Around 30 minutes would be enough, and then just drain and into the air fryer. 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Turning the pieces after 12 to 30 minutes is recommended. Imagine how crunchy it is. Can you hear that? And simply chop. The ingredients: ginger. This may be very specific to the Ilocanos' use of ginger for sisig or dinakdakan. Be generous with ginger. The proportion in the description box. And onion. Chop onions as well. We're using here 2 big onions. 3 kilos of uncooked cheeks and ears. It's now about 1.5 to 2 kilos after cooking. Pepper, black pepper. Not recommended to mix it now, but you can do it. And vinegar. We can mix it later, but my brother prefers to mix it each time an ingredient is added. And chili. Loads of it. And mix all the ingredients together. Done! That's difficult there. It's dinakdakan how it's made in the Ilocos and with a modern help with an air fryer. It's really crunchy. I love this one. Dinakdakan, officially a salad of pork cheek and ears, made even healthier thanks to the use of an air fryer. Make one today. Thank you for joining us here. I hope you've been inspired to do this as well, at home or elsewhere. See you on the next video.